Do you want to train your brain to make more money? It's a question that might have crossed your mind more than once. It's not just about the desire for wealth, but the freedom, opportunities, and security it brings. Imagine how different your life could be if you could unlock the secrets to making money work for you. How would that feel? Intriguing, isn't it? If your answer is yes, then you've come to the right place. Let's embark on this journey together. Tip number 1. Harness the power of positivity. It may sound cliché, but maintaining a positive mindset is crucial when it comes to achieving your financial goals. It's not just about wishful thinking. It's about fostering a can-do attitude that enables you to see opportunities where others see obstacles. According to various studies, positivity can boost your problem-solving abilities and enhance your creativity, which are essential traits for financial success. There's a story of a self-made millionaire who started with nothing but a positive outlook on life. Despite numerous setbacks, his unwavering optimism propelled him towards his dream. He believed he could, so he did. Similarly, your positivity can be the driving force that propels you towards your financial goals. It creates a ripple effect, influencing your actions, decisions, and ultimately your results. Remember, a positive mind attracts positive outcomes. Tip number 2. Visualize your success. Now, I know that might sound a bit abstract, but stay with me. It's all rooted in science. The brain, remarkable as it is, often can't distinguish between what's real and what's imagined. When you visualize your financial success, your brain lights up in ways similar to when you're actually achieving those goals. This process, known as neuroplasticity, helps us form new connections and pathways in our minds. It's like a mental rehearsal. You're training your brain to recognize and seize opportunities that can lead you towards your financial aspirations. So take a moment each day to picture yourself living the financial success you desire. See yourself making those smart investments, growing your wealth, and living your dream life. And remember, the more detailed your visualization, the more powerful the impact. Seeing is believing, and believing leads to achieving. Tip number 3. Set clear and achievable financial goals. You see, the beauty of goals is that they give us a direction, a path to tread on. But not just any goals. They need to be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Let's break it down. Specific means your goal should be well-defined. Instead of saying, I want to be rich, say, I want to save $1 million. Measurable means you should be able to track your progress. If your goal is to save $1 million, break it down into smaller goals. Achievable means your goal should be realistic. You can't expect to save $1 million in a month unless you're a billionaire. Relevant means your goal should align with your life's vision. If you're not into luxury, why aim for $1 million? And finally, time-bound. Set a deadline. When do you want to achieve this goal by? Goals are the stepping stones to your financial success. Scene script. Tip number 4. Embrace continuous learning. In this fast-paced world, information is the new currency. To keep your brain sharp and your wealth growing, it's crucial to stay on top of the latest financial trends and strategies. You see, money doesn't grow in the comfort zone. It thrives in the realm of knowledge, curiosity, and adaptability. Imagine your brain as a fertile field. Each new piece of information is a seed, and with the right care and nurturing, it can sprout into a lush green wealth tree. So, indulge in books, podcasts, seminars, online courses, anything that adds to your financial wisdom. Learn from the gurus, study the market trends, understand investment strategies. Remember, every successful entrepreneur, every self-made millionaire, they all have one thing in common: a never-ending thirst for knowledge. Because in the world of finance, the more you know, the more you grow. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Tip number 5. Develop a money mindset. What is a money mindset, you ask? It's a unique outlook on finance where you view money not as a finite resource, but as an abundant one. A money mindset is a belief that there is always enough wealth to go around, and that more can be created. It's about understanding that money is a tool for achieving your dreams, not a barrier. When you develop a money mindset, you start seeing opportunities instead of obstacles, solutions instead of problems. You attract prosperity by focusing on abundance, not scarcity. You realize that wealth is not a zero-sum game, but a win-win scenario. This mindset shift is crucial for anyone who wants to increase their wealth. It's about adopting a positive attitude towards money and understanding that your financial success is directly tied to your beliefs and attitudes. Remember, wealth starts in the mind before it appears in your bank account. Your mindset can be your most powerful asset. Tip number 6. Practice gratitude. Life is a cornucopia of experiences, opportunities, and blessings. But sometimes we are so focused on what we don't have, we overlook what we do have. That's where the power of gratitude comes into play. Practicing gratitude trains your brain to recognize and appreciate the wealth you already possess. It helps you to see the opportunities in your life, not just the obstacles. When you appreciate what you have, you radiate positivity. This positivity attracts more positivity, more opportunities, and yes, more wealth. Wealth isn't just about the amount in your bank account, it's about the richness of your experiences, the strength of your relationships, and the depth of your character. By practicing gratitude daily, you're telling the universe, I acknowledge the wealth in my life, and I am ready for more. So, make gratitude a daily habit and watch how your life blossoms. Remember, gratitude turns what we have into enough and more. Scene script. Tip number 7. Believe in your worth. Picture this. You're at the starting line of the financial success race, but there's a weight around your ankle. That weight? Self-doubt. It's time to cut it loose. Understanding your worth is the key to unlocking your financial potential. It's not about arrogance, but about acknowledging your capabilities and potential. Here's an interesting fact. People who believe in their worth tend to attract more financial opportunities. It's like a self-fulfilling prophecy. When you believe you're capable of achieving financial success, you're more likely to take the necessary steps to make it happen. So, how do you start believing in your worth? Start by recognizing your strengths and achievements. Reflect on your journey, the challenges you've overcome, the goals you've achieved. Each one is a testament to your worth. Remember, it's not about comparing yourself with others. It's about recognizing your unique value and potential. You deserve abundance, so believe in your worth. Tip number 8. Surround yourself with successful people. Consider this. Your social circle has a profound influence on your mindset, your habits, and ultimately your financial success. It's no coincidence that successful people often have successful friends. Their mindset, their drive, their habits, they all rub off. So take a moment and reflect. Who are the people you spend the most time with? Are they driven? Are they successful? Do they inspire you to reach for your dreams, or do they hold you back with their negativity? It's essential to choose your social circle wisely. Seek out those who are where you want to be, who inspire you, who challenge you, and who push you to be your best. This is not about discarding old friends, but about actively seeking growth and improvement. The company you keep can be a powerful catalyst for your own success. Remember, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Tip number 9. Take action. Now that you've equipped yourself with the tools necessary to train your brain for financial success, it's time to put them to use. Without action, all these tips remain just that. Tips. They're ideas, concepts, potential. But it's you who has to bring them to life, to make them more than just words on a page or thoughts in your mind. Taking action might seem daunting, but remember, even the longest journey begins with a single step. Start small, perhaps by setting clear financial goals or practicing daily gratitude. The key is to start somewhere, anywhere. Remember, the road to success is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It takes time, patience, and above all, consistent action. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a step towards your goal. Don't just dream about financial success. Live it, breathe it, and most importantly, act on it. Action is the foundational key to all success. Tip number 10. Practice patience. Just as a garden doesn't sprout overnight, neither does financial success. It's a game of patience, and the wait is worth it. You see, there's no magic formula to make money instantly. It's the small, consistent steps you take every day that build over time, leading to substantial financial growth. It's about the power of compound interest, where your money earns money over time. It's about investing in long-term strategies that yield significant returns in the future. And sometimes it's about waiting for the right opportunity to strike. just like a chess player, waiting patiently for the right moment to make a move. So remember, rushing won't get you far. It's persistence and patience that make the journey worthwhile. The road to financial freedom is not a sprint, it's a marathon, and every step you take counts. Patience, persistence, and perspiration make an unbeatable combination for success. So, there you have it. 10 powerful tips to train your brain to make more money. From harnessing the power of positivity, visualizing success, setting clear goals, embracing continuous learning, cultivating a money mindset, practicing gratitude, believing in your worth, surrounding yourself with success, taking action, to practicing patience. Each of these strategies holds the key to unlocking your financial potential. The journey may be long, but with these tools, you're well equipped. Remember, the road to financial success starts in your mind. Start training your brain today.